Welcome to the Reparenting Guide channel. Libra, the harmonious peacemaker. Hello, beloved. Today we explore Libra, the graceful, harmony-seeking peacemaker of the Zodiac. Libra energy is diplomatic, fair-minded, and deeply attuned to beauty and balance. You are here to create connection, foster understanding, and bring more grace into the world. And beloved, as you listen, remember this isn't just for your sun sign. Your moon sign reveals the emotional heartbeat for your need for harmony, and your rising sign shapes how you create balance in the world. You may find those videos feel just as affirming and insightful. Childhood wound example. If you were a Libra child, you may have been naturally sensitive to conflict, picking up on tension before anyone said a word. You might have stepped in to soothe disagreements, make others feel comfortable, or keep the peace, even at your own expense. But perhaps you learned early that keeping everyone happy sometimes meant silencing yourself. Maybe you were told you were too sensitive, or that you needed to just get along when something felt unfair. Some Libra children grew up becoming masters at reading the room, but struggled to know exactly what they wanted. And yes, beloved, if you ever agreed to a game you didn't like just to avoid upsetting a friend, your little Libra heart was already practicing diplomacy at a professional level. Safe reparenting in adulthood. Reparenting your Libra self means learning that your voice, needs, and preferences matter just as much as everyone else's. It's understanding that true harmony is not built on self-erasure, but on honest connection, where your truth is included in the balance. You say to your younger self, your peace matters too. It's safe to speak your truth and still be loved. In adulthood, this might mean practicing saying no without guilt, allowing healthy conflict when needed, and surrounding yourself with people who value you for who you are, not just for the harmony you create. Here are 3 reparenting practices for Libra. 1. Choice practice. Once a day, make a small decision based purely on what you want without checking how it affects others first. 2. Conflict warm-up. Practice expressing a different opinion in a safe, supportive conversation. 3. Beauty and belonging ritual. Surround yourself with colors, textures, and spaces that feel beautiful to you, not just what others like. And here is an affirmation for your Libra inner child. Repeat after me. My needs and my peace are as important as the needs of others. Beloved Libra, your energy is a gift for creating beauty, connection, and understanding. But if you learned in childhood to sacrifice your truth for peace, you may have carried that into adulthood at the cost of your own needs. Reparenting your Libra self means becoming the kind, loving presence who keeps harmony without losing yourself in the process. When you honor your voice alongside others, your inner child learns that peace can include them too. Remember to watch your rising sign and moon sign videos as well. Together, they create the whole story to reparenting yourself through the Zodiac. And if you enjoyed this video and you love spiritual content about reparenting your inner child, please consider subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new video is released. Your healing journey matters, beloved, and I am honored to walk it with you. Namaste.